If you're interested in getting a Semrush free trial, you're in the right place. Before signing up, make sure you use the special link in the description or pinned comment below. That's where you'll be able to access an exclusive trial offer and take a look around the platform for yourself. Semrush is one of the most widely used SEO and marketing tools available today. It helps you discover keywords, monitor rankings, research competitors, analyze backlinks, and identify opportunities to grow your traffic. Whether you're building a niche website, running an online business, creating content, or managing client campaigns, having access to the right data can make a huge difference. That's exactly what Semrush is designed to provide. The nice thing about this offer is that it allows you to explore the platform and test out its features before making a longer-term decision. You can see how the tools work, review the data available to you, and determine whether it's a good fit for your goals. If you'd like to claim the Semrush free trial offer, simply click the link below and follow the steps to get started.